When I was a young girl, well, I had me a cowboy. You weren't much to look at, just a free rambling man. And that was a long time, and no matter how I tried, these years they just float by like a broken down dam. Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing I can hold on to believe that this is living is just a highway to go. Yeah.